In this video, I'll show you how to use Google NotebookLM to research and draft a structured article. I start by clicking the Create New button on the home screen to open a fresh notebook. To gather information, I select the website option and use the Fast Research tool, typing I into the search bar to find high-quality sources from the web. The tool quickly finds several relevant articles, including Wikipedia and industry guides. I'll select all 10 of these sources and click Import to add them to my workspace. Now that my sources are ready, I'll go to the chat box and ask the AI to generate a detailed 5-section article outline using only the imported information, including a thesis and citations. You can see the AI working through the files, analyzing the core subjects and refining the structure to ensure the outline is accurate and well supported. The result is a comprehensive guide titled The Evolution, Impact, and Ethical Governance of Artificial Intelligence. It provides a clear historical context, examines industrial transformations, and addresses the environmental costs of AI, all while citing the specific sources I provided. I'm happy with this draft, so I'll click Save to Note to keep it in my project sidebar for easy access. I can now open this note to review the full text or use the menu options to export it directly to Google Docs for further editing. Finally, I'll convert this outline into a new source within the notebook, giving me a solid foundation to continue building my article with AI-assisted insights. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.